everyone. In this video, we will explore observational learning, also known as learning through observation. This concept explains how we learn new behaviors simply by watching others without direct experience. Observational learning is not a simple process. It involves four important stages. First is attention, where we focus on the behavior of a model. Second is retention, where we store what we observed in our memory. Third is reproduction, where we try to perform the behavior. And finally, motivation, which determines whether we actually imitate the behavior or not. All these stages work together to make observational learning effective. Observational learning means acquiring behaviors, skills, and knowledge simply by watching the world around us. Unlike other forms of learning, it does not require direct trial and error experiences. This makes it one of the most powerful and efficient ways of learning. Observational learning is defined as learning by observing and imitating the behaviors of others. It is a lifelong process that begins in early childhood and continues throughout life. From learning how to speak to understanding social behavior, much of what we know comes from observation. This concept was developed by Albert Bandura through his social learning theory. He argued that learning does not always require direct reinforcement or punishment. Instead, simply watching someone else can be enough to learn a new behavior. This idea challenged traditional behaviorist theories and expanded our understanding of learning. One of the most famous studies on observational learning is the Bobo Doll Experiment conducted in 1961. Bandura wanted to see whether children would imitate aggressive behavior they observed in adults. This experiment became a landmark study in psychology. In this experiment, children were divided into groups. One group observed aggressive behavior, while the other group observed calm behavior. This setup allowed researchers to clearly examine how observation influences behaviors. The results showed that children who observed aggressive models displayed significantly more aggression. Many of them even copied the exact actions they had seen. This included physical, verbal, and object-directed aggression. These findings clearly demonstrated the power of observational learning. The key idea here is modeling. Children learn behaviors simply by watching, without any rewards or punishments. This shows that observation alone can strongly influence behavior. As Bandura said, most human behavior is learned observationally through modeling. Observational learning plays a major role in everyday life. In child development, children learn language and social behavior by watching others. Social media influencers also act as models, shaping trends. And in education, teachers demonstrate behaviors that students learn and imitate. The people we observe have a strong influence on us. Positive role models can promote empathy, resilience, and growth. However, negative role models can lead to harmful behaviors being copied. This highlights the importance of responsible behavior, especially for those in influential positions. Observational learning shows that learning is a social process. We are constantly learning from the world around us, often without realizing it. Every interaction, every person, and every experience contributes to shaping who we become. Thank you for watching.